These are the pigeons who are in the spare room, but I had transferred those within a roof room. But after coming here, they are not going to wood cages. I gave pot every wood cages, but for an unknown reason, they are not sitting down on there. They are all breeders. Maybe they are taking a break. Every month they gave child previously. I have gifted 44 plus, 8 pigeons left me, 10 to 15 has been dead, and here the number are all total 40 plus. They have childs or eggs, the cages. It's a local breed, Bangladeshi, very powerful, very powerful. It's Kagoji, it's white basket, made pair with a local breed. These are new, waiting for coming out cage. And these are the racer pigeon. They're taking foods. They are making laughs. Another two beautifuls. All beautiful. There seems to be freelancer pigeon. Bangladeshi freelancers works for the full night and sleep on the daytime. It's daytime and they are sleeping. They are sleeping mood. For this reason, I call them freelancer pigeons. They quarrel and they take foods for the whole night. I gave them food by the mercy of the God, and they take foods as their own wish. It's my own rule. I give them foods every time. Foods are available for them every time, so that when they do not find me, they can take food. And if they are hungry, they can take foods. And here in Bangladesh, people slaughter pigeons sometimes. They take as a food or meal, but I do not like to slaughter pigeon. I didn't slaughter any pigeon in my life, and none of my loft pigeons got slaughtered. Maybe as far as I gifted those, they went out, or they are still available with my friends pigeons loft. And I'm requesting to these world peoples not to slaughter this beautiful pigeon for their meal necessary. Bangladeshi peoples oftenly slaughter pigeon because they said it's for food, but it's not for. I think it's not for food. You cannot slaughter pigeon because it's a lovely, lovely pet of home. Like we do not take the meat of dog. We do not take the meat of cat. We do not take the meat of any other pets. So we cannot take the meat of pigeons also. It's my suggestion. Pigeons for love. Pigeons for friendship. Pigeons are soldier. Pigeons are sometimes post person. Sometimes they take letter, and sometimes they transfer in this world to each other. On this subcontinental zone, I heard still now pigeon works for transferring letter or any notes. My pigeons are very much favorable to me. I love them very much, and they're always doing fun, making sounds, walking, and they're enjoying on their own rooms. Thanks for watching.